Google just dropped a game changer. Imagine being able to edit any image in seconds just by typing. No Photoshop, no complex tools, just pure AI magic. Sounds unreal? Stay with me, because I'm about to show you exactly how Gemini Flash 2.0 Experimental is changing the game. If you're someone who's ever struggled with photo editing or wished for an easier way to tweak images, this is for you. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first. How does this actually work? Let me walk you through it step by step. You can try this yourself in just a few clicks. Here's what to do. Step 1. Go to Google AI Studio. Just head over to aistudio.google.com. Step 2. Select Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. This is the latest model with powerful image editing. Step 3. Make sure you have images and text selected. This ensures the model understands both visuals and commands. Step 4. Upload any image. This could be a product photo, a selfie, or something fun. Step 5. Just type what you want to change. Want a new background, different colors, or a whole new look? Just describe it and watch AI do its magic. And just like that, your image transforms in seconds. No need for Photoshop. No need for manual adjustments. Just type, click, done. But that's not even the craziest part. People have been using Gemini Flash in some wild ways, and you need to see these. Wild examples. Check this out. Garment swap. People are changing outfits instantly. Just upload an image and type what you want. Background replacement. Swap out boring backgrounds for something exciting in just seconds. Watermark removal. This one is controversial. Yes, Gemini Flash can remove watermarks, but use it responsibly. Multiple object editing. You can swap, move, or edit multiple objects in one image just by describing it. Mind-blowing, right? But as amazing as it is, it's not perfect. Let's talk about the limitations, because this AI still has its quirks. Limitations. Sometimes, Gemini Flash changes unintended details or struggles with fine textures. The quality isn't always perfect, and sometimes the AI makes odd edits. But for free AI tool, it's one of the best image editors we've ever seen. So, what's next? Is this the future of image editing? Let's wrap it up. Google is pushing boundaries, and Gemini Flash 2.0 proves we're entering an era where anyone can edit images effortlessly, just by describing what they want. This is only the beginning. Imagine what this tech will look like in a year. Try it yourself at Google AI Studio or Hugging Face Faces. And if you want more AI-powered tools, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech updates. Tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you would edit with Gemini Flash?